Hello guys, welcome to another session. In this session, we are going to look into font weight. This topic is pretty much a straightforward topic. So let's jump into the Visual Studio Code to understand this topic. So basically, font weight is related with the boldness of the font. So what we will do in this exercise, we will first run this HTML and we will look into the output how it is coming without the CSS, and then we will design our CSS file for font weight. So this I have adapted from text decoration. So let me change this one so we can tell that for font weight. So that's it. Now let's run this file. So how we can run it? Press F1, click on the first option, and then it will give us an option open in browser. So here you will find that the weight of the font is normal over here. So let's play with the font weight. So let's jump into the Visual Studio Code. So in this example, we want that this font for the author paragraph should be bold. So we can tell that, we can tell author class, we can specify author, and then we will create the class over here. So we can tell that we want class author should be bold. So how we can specify that? So 400 is representing the normal text, 100 is being lighter, 200 is little heavier than this 100 values, and 700 is the bold value. So we will specify, either we can specify bold or we can tell 700. So both actually the same value, it will represent the text within the bold. So if you write 700, so you can see the effect what it will do. Save it. Let's jump into the browser. So here you will find that it has bold the author paragraph. Now let's go back to the Visual Studio Code. We can also try with bold. So write bold over here. Let's jump into the browser. So there is no change as it is representing. If you write 700 numeric value or bold, both are same. Here we are having a span text. What we will do, we will use the font weight that is little lighter for this span tag. So we can tell here for a span, we want it should be little lighter. We can tell font weight and it should be lighter. And we will also tell that all the paragraph font weight should be 600. Save it. Let's jump into the browser. So here you will see that the font weight is being applied to the paragraph as well as the span tag. So this way you can easily design your web page with different font weights as per your scenarios. So this is what I wanted to demonstrate you in this session. See you in the next session. Till then, bye bye. Take care.